Considerations with the teardown. 30 days of real estate questions. Question number 28. Teardowns are not created equal. There's different buckets. So you could have a small house on a beautiful parcel of land with a view that is in perfectly fine condition, but a multi-million-dollar buyer could find that as a teardown to get the view. And you could have, like my situation last year when I sold Adair Vineyards and Winery, where there was an old barn that really needed a great deal of restoration and repair. That could have also been a teardown. But thankfully, the buyer is restoring it, thankfully. The teardown I'm focusing on are teardowns that tend to be either abandoned or estate properties that haven't been lived in for several years, or foreclosures, but basically a residence that it just does not make financial sense to do a renovation, that really the only financial sense is really to go after the value of the land. In that situation, there are multiple considerations. Is septic in place? Is a well in place? Are they in good condition? Is there Board of Health approval already on the house? Does it have the amount of bedrooms that you would want to rebuild? Are there wetlands? Are there floodplains? Is DEC involved? That's a whole other level. So there's a lot of different considerations that go into evaluating a teardown and the property that it's on. I can help you with this if you're interested.